Hi everybody, my name's Tim Weston. Anyhow, I'm making these short little video skits with hopefully some powerful messages to inspire others. I've had a lot of people come up to me and say, hey man, you are awesome at giving advice. You need to be a motivational speaker. This is your calling in life. And I kind of tumbled it around in my head and I'm like, I really don't want to be a motivational speaker as much as I want to be an inspirational speaker. When I talk to people, I want to leave an impact, and I want that impact to stay. I want to inspire others to go out there and treat others with respect, kindness, and dignity. See, I run into a lot of people every single day. I've done almost every kind of job you could imagine. I've worked with the general public in multitudes my entire life. So I communicated with so many people. I can't even count how many. I couldn't even begin to put a number on it. But every time I leave somebody, I leave them smiling. And I've noticed that it's contagious because when they leave and they go on throughout their day happy, the people that they communicate with, they're also happy. So my message for today is to wake up every single day with a purpose. Wake up happy, wake up smiling, go to bed smiling. Leave impacts on others to succeed, to be happy, to be successful, and you'll notice the self-fulfillment that it'll give you in return. Not only is it helping others, but it's helping you because you know in your heart of hearts that you was able to leave a positive impact on somebody. Leave positive impacts on people. Love one another. Okay? We are put here in this world. Today, tomorrow is not promised. Yesterday is a blessing. Realize that. How many blessings are you going to be given? Each and every day is a blessing. So why waste it? Make the most out of it. Love people. Let that contagious happiness spread. Um, you know, that's it in a nutshell. It's so self-fulfilling to just carry on the purpose of just humanity. I see everybody hating each other, and it's like it's not necessary. It's uncalled for. Love one another. This time on earth is so precious. So that's my message for today. My inspiration for today. Um, if you like what you've seen and what you heard, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. I don't know. I'm new to all this stuff, so I'm just going to open up my own channel and see where it goes. And I'd like to do this once, twice a week, if possible. Hopefully we can get out there and reach out to others and maybe make somebody's lives a little bit better. Remember, it's about impact. Impact others in a positive way. Thanks.